Yes, there again I passed through another airport again. This time I go. Is it Marrakech? That's it. That's where we are going. Don't know. White. Yeah. What my people. Love, love, love. It's me again. And I'm trying to walk my way to make sure I'll find my way back. Guess where I'm at? Guess. Remember Jamaican abroad with there. Summer guys to go best spot. Look. Marrakech, aka Morocco. Yeah, so we're in Marrakech right now. And this is the property of Rio. This is Riu Hotel. All circle me all the way around. I'm staying around there. Yeah. And that's the way to go that way. Yes, I'm out here. It's now, tell you the time, 1:50. Well, the time must change. I think the time might have automatically changed on the phone. I'm not sure, but I think that might be the time. Or it might be later. I'm going to find out in a minute. This is just one of the walkway. There's a pool over there. Yeah. Nice garden. So Jamaican abroad. We're not in UK for sure. Let's walk in. Actually, let's walk around. I'm going to that building over there, around the front. I think that's the front. I'll walk. Yeah. So I'm at Hotel Rio in Marrakech. And I walk into the front to get a bit of scenery for you. My loving supporters, my subscribers. This one is for you. I should have just gone and lay down and chill, but I'm so anxious. I'm full of anxiety to show you out here. I'm just gonna try see if I can walk. If I can walk around it, I don't know. I'll see how far around it takes me to the front to the next side and walk around back. Let's see how it works out. But yeah, I need to go and read up about Marrakech and see what's available over here in this side of Africa. You know, I'm trying to go to that one of these main buildings. Oh, that's a swimming pool there. So that means the building I'm looking for is down that way. So that's a swimming pool there. It's a garden. But look, see that? Look at that. So you see, They keep it nice, innit? It's well done. When it's praying over there, and not just praying, and then you got that lovely walk. Go in, and then you can see far. You know what? The funniest thing I just seen, yeah? You know, in the swimming pool area, inside pool, a lady stand up looking out, drying herself off with her fanny out. So, look like she was showing, you know, in these, especially when you go to Spain and so. So if you go to Spain, oh my God, in Spain, when you go to Spain and go on the beach in Spain, yeah, you know what you're gonna see? Whole heap of nipples. You get whole heap. So I'm walking round the back there. You see, just to give you, my loving subscribers, a look of the look where we are, the star look. I don't know what you call it, if you call it star look, superstar look, what you call it, you get. Yeah, so see a little shelter there, must be a little shelter. So I'm actually walking around the building walkway. When I went to my room, we got chauffeured there. We get carried there on what you call them, caddy? Yeah, we'll get them carried on caddy. Look at the sky. Jeez. This is mad. Right, one thing I need to do for sure is I need to go and get the password for the Wi-Fi. Get some Wi-Fi on this phone. Get it running. But I'm on here, people. You see it? I told you I'm coming out here. You think yes, people, I told you I'm coming out here. I'm out here for you, man. Rio. See that? Rio. That's not Rio, that's Rio. Rio. That's it. Rio. Alright, that's the caddy man that bring us round to our room. Well, this would be a nice running to get some running early in the morning and in the late night. So hopefully I'll get a little running, do a little running, you know what I mean? Try to build back, you know, because I'm telling you, it's not easy. You get me? You have to be fit. And as an artist, you get. Yeah. So this video is introducing Riu in Morocco. I would call it Marrakech or something like that. You get me? You get me? See security over there, so sit down. Alright, so continue go that way. There's a car park there. It look like. Yeah. Let's go the real way. Yeah. So this is the front. I'm walking to the front of the building. Walking to the front. If it's a bit shaky, you have to understand. Okay, already, because I'm actually using my iPhone. I'm not using the GoPro. I lose my 3 travels that I have on GoPro. I got a memory card, large memory card on the GoPro, and I end up I lose them. I lose all three blogs, all three blogs that I meant to put up on my YouTube channel. The memory chip got F. All YouTubers, they know what that means. They know when you do the power thing and the GoPro don't turn off or whatever, and you just mash up the memory. So, but yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful location still, you get me? All these beautiful, it's just nice scenery. The scenery is just excellent. Excellent, you get me? It's all these plants. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, my loving people. Jamaican abroad. You get me? Yeah, so I'm at the front. Where I'm gonna turn the camera round to the front and show you what the front look like from front. That is it. So this is Hotel Riu. I keep saying Rio. Hotel Riu. And this is in Marrakech. Okay? Alright. AKA Morocco. So you see this beautiful look. This look like you're in some of the rich part that maybe down Miami, or you know, them rich place. LA. It just look rich, real rich. So that's the front where we entered, and the caddy bike take us round to the back. You see. So we're here in Marrakech. As you can see, it's so beautiful. I don't even want to show my face because my face compared to this whole atmosphere, this whole beauty. Look at it. Look at it. Look. I can't compare it. Can't compare it. Let me make you see my eyes. You see my eyes? See, I can't compare. But trust me, it is nice, cool, you know. The weather is hot, the sun is hot, yeah, but where I'm at now, these all the trees and the plants blowing the cool breeze, you know what I mean? Cool. You see it? Not cold enough, cool. Yeah. It's a cool side, you get. So yeah, this is the side we're walking around. Hopefully later I will walk in between the middles them and stuff to see if I can get enough you get. Yeah. See my band. Yeah. Security doing there. Check. Oh, this is the part where the workers them come. See the bikes, workers them. They look like. Yeah. I'm just trying to walk around it to see where it's gonna take me down this bit. You get. Nice thing when you do at these hotels, you have your band on. So then see your band them not fool or whatever. You get me? Because we're celebrities, you get? You know what I mean? This is how they treat celebrity. I'm a celebrity out here, and that's why he's a Jamaican abroad. You're right. Yeah. I don't know already. When it comes to the music, no test. You get me? Yeah. Don't know. Because when it comes into being an artist, I'm great. I won't say I'm the baddest, I'll just say I'm great. I'm good enough to keep people entertained, you get me? Good enough to get people entertained, and that is it. This is why I'm always out here. This is why you see me out on the road all the time. I'm always on the road. You Get me? Always on the road. Yeah. As you can see, look, man working there. See? I'm doing work right there. Sorting out the place for it to be the thing. Alright. Alright, father and son playing their game. That's it. We're in Rio. See how kind of sport playing. Look. See, you ready to throw the ball? Yeah. So you watch my TV. See they playing it there? Yeah. Some goal in it myself. Yeah, so there is a volleyball bit as well. We can play volleyball. Whoop, whoop. Oh, there's a table tennis there. Look. Table tennis as well. So actives bit, that's the basketball ground around there, the playground. See the kids them over there playing. You get me? But yeah, we in Riu, Marrakech. And you want to see outside? Look outside. There's a difference. See the difference? See that? This is why we get rich, you know, so we can come buy some of these lands. Look, we can come buy some of these lands and come build up with hotels and with headquarters and with big houses and, you know? Yeah. So that's outside of the wall at the hotel. That's a playing ground over there. The kids them playing, as you can see. You can see they're doing their thing. You see me? Parents carry their kids away for holiday. You know what I mean? They're rich kids. So they're playing football on the football pitch. But yeah, as you can see, where I'm at, yeah. Ah, there's a tennis court as well. Look. There's actually a tennis court here. Not even one, there's two of them or something. So when you come to Rio in Marrakech, you can stay comfortable, you can stay posh and stay rich. You know what I mean? Posh and rich. Oh, look at this. All of them have become like this. Can you see the string? You see it starts string out? Look. See that? I've never seen one of these plants like this though. You know, even when the palm tree them in Jamaica and stuff, I never see them do that thready thing where they thread it out. Look. Thread out. I wanted you to see it properly. Wait. You see that? First I'm seeing it like that. But yeah, beautiful. See the next one, the same thing. Look, these plants in Africa, yo. These plants in Africa are so bossy that these plants I do different looks, you get me? Because even these one where them plant them and then they cut them off. You know? Yeah. Let me know if you would come here for your holiday, if you come here on a vacation, or if you're working on business trip, you know, would you come to this one? Because this Rio is nice, you know, it's damn nice. And it's actually, they don't have high story, they have just one floor up. That's it, just one floor up. So you have one down the ground and one up on top, that's it. You get, so all of it is more flat. You get more flat. So yeah, as you can see, remember to like, share, subscribe. Jamaican abroad, you know. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend. You know what I mean? Tell a friend. That's very important, to introduce a friend to a friend. Not true? It's good to introduce a friend to a friend. In sight. I remember, people, you see, in life, just live good, be good, as long as your heart is clean and pure. You know what I mean? Sometimes no matter what come out your mouth. So sometimes we say things we don't mean, and we say things out of anger. But when you do, just do your pride. You know what I mean? And just know that from your heart is clean. That is it. Look at bamboo. Look at bamboo. See that? One of the strongest trees, you know. You can climb a bamboo tree and he'll just bend down with you, won't break like that easy. Just like guava tree, if you know about guava, a fruit, that guava, the tree of it is so strong. It's hard for you to break it. You get, I remember as a youth, we used to climb the guava trees, them nematodes. Oh, it doesn't matter how skinny the tree is and how tall it is, trust me, it won't break. But yeah, I don't say go and try it, you know, because I don't want you to go try it and then your guava tree I'm broke with you. And then you're gonna blame me, a Jamaican abroad. You know, what's over there? Stuff over there. Oh, that's like going outside. Yeah. Listen, you ain't got to be posh to be privileged, but this is rich life. Look, real rich. Real rich. Yeah, so we're somewhere peaceful and quiet in Marrakech. And Marrakech is you know already, Africa. So it's the African side, you know. And look how well care everything is. Should I go through there and go there, or should I go around and come around? I'll never go through. Let's say, eeny meeny, mine more. Catch this youth, buy into. If you never let him go, eeny meeny, mine more. Oh God. So eeny meeny, mine more. Get it. And that bit there looks so much nicer. And you know what? Eeny meeny might win, but minor can go. We're going this way because of this scenery. This scenery is so, oh, look at this. And there's seats to sit down where you can just sit down and take out your book. Sit down around and take out your phone. You know, do a little work if you need to do work. Do a little meditation. You can also bring out a mat or a towel, lay down on the grass, you know, deep meditation and relax. This is how it feels, peace. In the night run here must be beautiful too. I must do a night walk and see. You see, my people, beauty of the greenery of the plants. You get the greenness. What would have been nice though if lots of these was fruit. You know what I mean? We get some fruit to eat, man. I want some mango and some, you know what I mean? Yeah, some plum. And these things would be nice right now. Yeah, anyway, let me continue walk and see. As I said, this video is introducing the outside to you of what I get to see. So nice. This is paradise. See paradise? Yeah. I think if I'm correct, we did come this way. That's the stairs. That's the stairs. It's definitely not there. Says keep walking. Keep walking. So huge over here, you can easily get lost and have to walk all around the place to find where you have to go back. It's my first few hours here anyway, or 2 or 3 hours here, maybe 2, if that much. So I don't know where you're gonna go and find something this beautiful. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know. But this is damn beautiful. Ah, this plant here. It's the best. See that with the furry bits off it, yeah. The stringy bits and that come off it. The straight bit, it make it look design, like it's a design. You get, yeah, what heap. As you can see the plants and then cut them now. That one must have been folded and fold all the way over. You get, but this build, this is nice though. Look at the settings. This is in Morocco. They're in Marrakech. Get there. And a couple of my friends are over this side as well. You know, they're coming over this, but they won't be at my hotel. They'll be somewhere else. You get me? Even my brother wife over there with her family too. But I don't know which side they are. So we go this way. There's a swimming pool there. See the swimming pool over there. Over there. And then I'll walk up to the back. Yeah. Then we'll walk all the way to the fucking back to find my bed. See? So there's a black couple as you can see. You can see them? Alright. I just say hello to them and the girl alone answer. The man look at me serious like he's maybe I'm too handsome. Because this lady gonna say, oh, I need to see that guy again. But she need to know I'm married, girl. I'm taken. I'm sorry. But yeah, you can follow me on YouTube though. Follow my channel, support. You know what I mean? That is it. That's a pool, and then that side. Maybe I walk this side. Oh, there's more. I think my bit would be one of them backs. My bit should be going that way. I think. I'm still walking it. You know what I did? I needed to go and get the password, you know, for the Wi-Fi. Alright, so I know my one would be that way, should be. But we're gonna walk still and see where far this bit go. I said I'm introducing you to what the outside of outside of Riu you get. Let you see it. Yeah. All right. Yeah. And then working hard and get me working and keep the place clean. Look. See that? That's clean. See it? So if I did walk around where any meaning, right? Where any meaning minor more win, I would have come around this way and get. So I can see why I know, because I can see that thing on the end there. You get. We got these flowers in Jamaica. See them? Who know what's the name of this plant? We have them in Jamaica as well. Look. They drop to the ground. Create that. At least it's pretty pink, you get? Yeah. You can see. Right, so that's where we came from. Yeah. Right, so that's where we walked just now. We're 80 millimeter more wind right there. See, so at least you see the whole round the back of the building, come all the way around. And later, sometime later, we'll try to show you the inside of the main building of Riu. You get? Remember, people, like, share, and if you're subscribed, press the subscribe button. It's very easy. Just press on it. And you see the notification bell, just press on it. I told you that I'm going to have you beautiful content. And what's this? Beautiful Marrakech. You're thinking you're Jamaica right now. You see? If you don't go and look outside, you thought you're in Jamaica right now, in the Caribbean. Anyway, they even have to say Jamaica. And in the Caribbean. But you know, Jamaica have them settings, yeah. You know, Riu is in Jamaica, right? Riu got a couple hotels in Jamaica. There's a couple in Jamaica, so who could tell that this is not Jamaica? But we're in Africa. You see me? We are in Africa. Yeah. You see where they put in the hard work and dedication. Yeah, hard work and dedication. See, this is for the channel, for the YouTube channel. You know what I mean? Later I'm gonna do something for my music. And then also I'm gonna have to do something for TikTok and post it. You get? Yeah, I'm out here, people. I'm walking this way and hoping I'll find where I belong. This way. Huh? So there you go. You get at least 30 to 40 minutes you get in out of this video for the outside walk, at least, because that's what it is. So I'm just walking around the skirt. Remember, there's a whole heap of different apartments, like there's the hotels, the rooms. Instead of high building, yeah, scatter. I see it scatter around here. So this bit we not come here. This is another bit. As you can see, beautiful flowers as usual. The palm tree, groomed. Every plant groomed up to the grass head groomed. Look up to the grass. Check it. Up to the grass, getting well groomed. Is it? And that's why it's over here, man. We're in Morocco. The only problem is I haven't withdrawn any money from the machine to make sure I have some Moroccan money. You get me? I don't know. I actually don't even know what the money look like. I didn't even look on. I didn't even look on Google to see if it's the normal. I don't know what the norms is, but this is the norms. And look, okay, so that's where I'm going, right there. Okay, I know where I'm. So my bit is right there, right through there. That's, I think my door is through there, through that building there. Yeah. All right, so I'm seeing how far I can go around to the back of where I am, because this building is the one I'm in. So I'm just going to again look again. These plants, this plant, look. See that? Yeah. I work at the Almighty and beautiness, you see it? The beautiness in putting in plants. See the tree, all these are Jamaica. All those are Jamaica. You see? It works. Look. See? Peace. Once this is Riu. Clean. We have some workmen them working now. You see? Workmen them working, so them work like pick up the boot thing and them groom. And then plumb down the tree and cut them down. Yeah. You get. So see how here he goes. After this walk I need to go and sit down. And most likely this video is, I think, might be in 3 pieces, so I need to put it together and then upload it. So this one will upload today for sure, but then upload another one by, let's say, Saturday. Yeah. And then upload another one, say, Monday. And then the rest will upload most likely when I'm back in the UK. You get me? When I'm back in the UK. But yeah, for sure, we're walking around the premises of showing you Hotel Riu in Marrakech, Africa. You get me? And you will see how amazing and how beautiful this thing is. Yeah. Again, my people of the world, big up on yourself anywhere in the world you are and watching right now. Big up yourself. Thank you very much. As you know, I am a Jamaican. Yes, living in London, UK. And I'm taking the opportunity to travel certain parts of the world. And I'm taking the opportunity to blog it to you so you can see. Right? Remember, there's no competition. There is no who is better than who around here. It's about content and good content. And I know this is good content. What's this plant? This is like the, what we call, Sink a Bible. Is it? Yeah, Sink a Bible. Look like. Oh, you got the Jamaica. You got? Yeah, so we have these plants. See them? Half them. See, they look pretty on the wall that we have. Look. They tie this one and great and tight, so you just grew up like that. Okay, keep it up. That's bad. Because if you ain't drop then I would, please. Anyway, that's smart. Very smart. Indeed. Wow. Right, I still walking around the back bit of where our part is where we're staying. And we're just going around that bit now to circle back to go and chill. See it. See them sliders. I'm already. Not that one. My walkway is the next one down, I think. The next walkway. Until what kind of plant is this? What's this one? Where them things on it? All right, so I think this walkway now, I do left, it should take me, I came down farther, came down to the pool again. So that's the first, that's where we went first when we came out the first time. And around okay, that one on the back there. Shit, so far okay. So I had to walk around there to show you bins. You see the bins? Okay, I know where this bit is now. So in this, down in this valley hole, my bit should be that way. Is there a walkway to go there? Oh, my bit should be one of these spots. Oh. I don't want to say I get lost, or in real life, I would be lost, but I'm not. Nice, isn't it? Grass that bloom, different color, purple and thing, purple and cream, or you want to say white. Alright, so therefore, where am I now? I'm supposed to be, is it through here? Yeah, go through there, that's it. So I find my way back to reality. Yeah. Yeah. This is where we started. I can't. Sheep. There's a cat there. cat is in the jungle. Oh, this is a room. Okay. All right, that's it. Up. Down. Yeah. Shit, human naked.